Hello friends, in this chapter I describe how to declare class and object in Java. Now firstly introduce what is the class and what is the object, why we use the object and why we use the class. So let's we start. What is class? Now I describe what is class. A class is just as a user defined blueprint or prototypes that is used for object creation. So just it represents the set of the properties or method that are the common to all object of one types. There are some component available for declaring a class. Now first is declare as a modifier. A class can be as a public or has default access. Class name should begin with initial letter, capital, capital or any type of letter we used for declaring a class. Body. The class body is surrounded by the braces. So if you want to define a class, so one another definition of the class, that is called the class, is a collection of the related data members and member functions or data types stored in a class, and that is also stored object or creating an object in a class. Now what is the object? Basically object just as a represent a just represent as a entity. So object also called as a runtime. Object is also created as a runtime. So and basically an entities that has a state and behavior is known as the object. As suppose if you want to give an example such as chair, bike, marker, pen, table, car, etc. It can be physical or the logical, both. So object has different characteristics, but basic characteristics of the object is state, represent the data represent the data and value of an object. Second is the behavior of the object, represent the behavior of an object such as the deposit or withdraw, etc. And third is the identity of the object. There are three characteristics. Third is the identity. The identity is just as a implement as a unique ID. The value of ID is not visible in external user, but it is used to internally by the JVM to identity is object uniquely. Basically, the if you want to say there are different types of definition in object, but there are some definition such as that object is a real world entities, object is a runtime entities, object is an entities which has state and behavior, and object is an instance of the class. So you clear what is a class and what is the object in Java. Now let's see how to create a class in Java and how to implement the object in Java through program. So let's we start. Now declare class. I am just declare two variable integer a, b and c in this class, and just closing this class. Now declare main class. Now here we create the object of the class. No, here that is a class, that is the first class, and I am creating the object of this class in ABCD, that is the main class of Java, because the main function is where the main function is declared, the class saved in main function name, such as the ABCD is a main class, so that the Java program is saved in abcde.java. So now create the object of abcd. Here we see the object is created, so a1 dot a equal to 34, because the object is created. So we call the data member functions, data members in main class through object, access the data members in main class through object. Now save this class. abcd.java. Now compile this class. Now run this program. A B C D E. Now here we see the value of 79. So a1 dot a is 34 and a1 dot b is 45, and the output of these variable to 79. Here we declare the class abcd before the main, above the main class. So here we declare the integer a, b, c, three variables are data member of this class. Now that is the next, here closing the braces, opening the class braces and close this class braces. So class scope is closed in here. That is the next class, that is the main class. How to call this abcd class to main class? So we create an object. Object is a runtime entity and call the member function through parent class or in or child class. So that is the program how to create a class and object in Java. Thanks.